Congressman Tom Suozzi was appointed Democratic Vice Chair of the Congressional Caucus on India and Indian Americans on March 30. The announcement was made by Caucus Chair Ro Khanna. The bipartisan caucus works to strengthen US India ties, and Suozzi now joins the leadership alongside Republican co chair Rick McCormick. Suozzi's appointment comes after his recent visit to India and decades of advocacy for Indian Americans in his district across Long Island and Queens, New York. He has been an active member of the caucus for years. His elevation reflects sustained engagement with diaspora issues and efforts to deepen US India relations through policy and community outreach. Speaking after the announcement, Suozzi described the US India relationship as one of the most consequential alliances globally. He highlighted the growing influence of Indian Americans across sectors. He also said his focus as vice chair will be on expanding economic ties, strengthening strategic cooperation, and reinforcing shared democratic values between the two countries. Suozzi represents districts in Long Island and Queens that are home to a large and vibrant Indian American community. He emphasized his long standing relationship built over years. He also became the first US congressman to visit the Kartarpur corridor last year, reflecting direct engagement with South Asian culture and religious issues. Caucus Chair Ro Khanna welcomed Suozzi into the leadership team, praising his bipartisan approach and commitment to the US India partnership. Khanna said Suozzi's ability to work across party lines will strengthen the caucus mission of advancing diplomatic, economic, and cultural ties. Suozzi has actively promoted US India relations through bipartisan legislative efforts, including an Indian American Heritage Resolution recognizing the community's contributions nationwide. He also supported a resolution marking the 50th anniversary of the first Bab's Sri Swaminarayan Mandir in the US, highlighting cultural diplomacy. Alongside Congressman Raja Krishnamurthy, Suozzi raised concerns with federal agencies over the detention of Indian students in the US. He also wrote to the Department of Defense regarding Sikh Americans' right to maintain beards in the military, advocating for religious freedom and fair policy reforms.